Hi everyone, today I decided that I'm going to take you on a tour of what's inside my cold cellar. It's not fancy, it's quite small. It's about 4 feet by, I think, 15 feet maybe, wall to wall. But anyhow, let's go on and see what's in store. Now, there isn't much light in here, so we'll do our best. But I love pantry tours, so I thought I'd give you a tour of my cold cellar. So I'll show you what I have that I keep in my cold cellar. So here we are inside. We'll start here. So on top of here, just like extra like baking pans, roasting pans, containers, trays. And down here is, there's a burner here, some cookie cutters. That is a hamburger press from my dad's old butcher shop. Some more jugs. Those are alcohol and hand sanitizer. I'm a nurse, so I got those. And we'll start, yeah, I'm going to start up and down because it kind of goes this way. It's kind of like a galley, you could say. So up here, I have like extra jars and lids. They had these at the dollar store. Can you believe that? For like $3. So I picked up those. Anyway, so extra lids. I got Ziploc bags here. On this little shelf is some more like extra things. Oops, I'm gonna lose a lid. I got some more like lids. I have some lavender flowers. I got some pastas in Mylar. So that's just, I have just these two cubbies here. Then on this shelf, it's kind of like a mixture. Some salsa, canned beans. These are yellow Detroit beets here. Some turkey stock. This here is pickled eggplant in olive oil. It's an Italian traditional recipe. We call it melanzane sottolio. If you want to know how to make these this summer, comment below, and when the eggplants are ready, I'll show you how we make it. I got some turkey soup. This was from Thanksgiving. Some pickled hot peppers. These are great in sandwiches. And these are the Italian pickled hot peppers in oil. If you want to know this video, I will link it for you, but I did make a video that actually went viral. I think it's up to 22,000 views for this video. There's another jar. This is some tallow, some canned beef, some just lemon juice, some wine here. This basket back here is just some seasonings and extras. I have some empty bottles there. So under this section of shelf, I have chicken soup that I canned, some cranberry juice that I made. This is how cold my cold cellar is. My olive oil is frozen. That's how cold my cellar is. This is just some strawberry lemonade concentrate. I got squash, butternut squash canned, some carrots. This is just pickles, canned pineapple. Oh my goodness. If you haven't canned pineapple, you're missing out. In the summertime, you can get them for like $1.50 a piece, and it's the best thing to can. I actually did a whole case of canned pineapple. This is more pickles. I just did some sliced ones. This is chicken masala. Great. It's a meal on top of rice. And some more strawberry lemonade concentrate. Under that, I just have some whole wheat flour there. Some more tomato sauce. There's a case of the the canned pineapple, and that's my lentil soup down there on the bottom. We've got canned beets. This is just some extras. Oh, I wish I could turn on the light for you. Can I turn on the... No, I can't turn on the light for you. Here is just some ketchup, tomato sauce. Better than bouillon. I got 2 of those. Olives. This is just from Kirkland, Costco. It is a mixed nut butter. It's very good. Has all kinds of nuts in it. So this is along the same shelf here. It's a second shelf. This is for like extra like sauces, barbecue sauces, salad dressings. This pulls out some more sauces and condiments. So these are like more condiments. And this is kind of like baking / some canning things. And over here, I have some maple syrup that we got from Amish country. We're near where my daughter lives. A bucket of honey that we got from a local family that has an apiary. I like to support homesteaders and things. Some more sauces and extra condiments. Now let's back up so I can show you what I did. So we walked in, we did this whole shelf, and we did this whole shelf, and we talked about this stuff here. So up here, I have some salts and seasonings. This is my Thai sweet chili sauce. It is so delicious. I'll show you how to make this in the summer when the hot peppers are out. My husband loves it. I think it's too hot. Thai chilies are too hot. So I think next year I'll do a hot batch and a mild batch. Because I love the flavor, but it's too hot for me. Some extra things that I dehydrated. So this is lemons for tea. What did I do here? I can't even remember. Oh, this is my calendula oil. I'm gonna make a salve, which I'll show you. This is dehydrated tomato powder, great as a tomato paste substitute. What else is back here? And just this is dehydrated zucchini, great for soup. That kind of stuff's up there. These are dried. This is all like dehydrated stuff. So this is dehydrated green onions from the garden. This is dehydrated oregano. What else is there? That's thyme, and then rosemary's behind it, etc. These are just extra like packaged goods here, like maple flakes, some Bisquick for the biscuits, some pasta there, some more spices. I keep them in a container so they don't make the whole room like smell. Alcohol box. And this is the very far end. It's just extra storage of things. Extra storage, my bread maker, burner. It's just like extra storage. My husband keeps his beer in here because it is cold in here. In the garage, it's too cold in the garage because it's like minus. We're in the minuses and double digits here. I'll show you. I have a thermometer. This is how I keep my rings on a coat hook up there. This is a ceiling. This is the temperature right now in here. So it's approximately the temperature of a fridge. I don't know how accurate. I don't know how accurate this is because my olive oil is frozen, but it congeals in the, so it looks like it's about 8. So about the size of a fridge. Humidity, that's the humidity there. So let me back up because it's very narrow. So we went through this and the back there. And I have my pantry stuff here. So I have a rack hanging up here. These are all spices and seasonings. I love spices and seasonings. These are canned goods. Semolina flour to make pasta with. Some canned soups. Just for like emergency purposes. And I'll like use them. I rotate them, so I'll eat them as I go through. Some more soups, breadcrumbs, evaporated milk, coconut milk, cranberry jelly, that sort of thing. I got flour, some canned tomatoes, this is organic wheat there. It's organic wheat. I wanted to try to make my own flour. Broth. We got some hamburger helper and stovetop. Stovetop is, I don't know if you have it in the US, but it's stuffing. I got all my jams and jellies here. Some more dehydrated goods. Move the beer. I got some oil there. These are just extra grains. So we got bulgur, because I like to make salads. I got couscous, wheat bran. This is, let's see. This is kamut. This is kamut or kamut. So these are just like grains I like to cook with and make salads with. If you want to know how to transform your grains into like salads and side dishes, let me know. Let me back up again. So again, that's the back. We did that shelf. And then there's this shelf. I have some seasonings here. Dried onion. This is good. I got this in the US. It's made with bromelain, which is the enzyme in pineapples. And it's not MSG, so use that for tougher cuts of meat. Rice, cereal, more rice, lentils, beans, more beans. This is bread flour, some pasta, grain-free pasta here, or gluten-free, I guess you could see. And another gluten-free product. It's just made with 100% lentils, which is great. Trying to get away from or minimize gluten. Yeah, I'm not intolerant, but it does affect me. This is raw cane sugar, organic sprouted rolled oats. I love this. I get this at Costco. Protein powders, some pastas down there, more pasta, and a popcorn machine. More vinegar. This is all brown sugar. Packages of brown sugar. This is just paper products like paper cups, plates, cups, napkins, that sort of thing. Olive oil, jug of olive oil here. And that's my pantry. Oh, up here on the ceiling, I hang like baking pans and racks up there. So they're easy to just kind of like grab. When we make salami and lanza and capicola, prosciuttini, that sort of thing, we'll hang it from here because there's the duct, the air vents for outside is right there. There's 2. So I'll hang it right here. So that way it cures properly. but you can cure it also in your fridge. If you want to know how to do that, let me know in the comments below and I'll show you. That wraps up our cold cellar tour, and I hope you got some inspiration for your own storage ideas, or maybe discovered a new way to preserve something that you saw in my cold cellar. So let me know in the comments below what your must-haves are in your cold cellar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening, cooking, and tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now, friends. Have a great day.